Welcome to the realm of agricultural innovation. Today, we're diving headfirst into the marvels of modern farming machinery. Get ready, folks, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through wheat fields like you've never experienced before. First up, let's witness the sheer power and efficiency of these colossal machines as they tackle vast expanses of wheat fields. Picture this: endless golden fields swaying gracefully in the wind, ripe for harvest. And leading the charge, none other than the mighty X9 1100, a true powerhouse designed to redefine wheat harvesting as we know it. With its impressive 50-foot wide head and cutting-edge technology, the X9 1100 makes light work of even the largest wheat fields. But it's not just brawn. This machine is a precision instrument, delicately separating grain from chaff with unmatched accuracy. It's a mesmerizing symphony of agricultural greatness unfolding before our eyes. And what's truly remarkable is how user-friendly these machines are. With intuitive controls and state-of-the-art technology, even the most complex tasks feel like a walk in the park, turning operators into farming superheroes as they effortlessly navigate the fields. But let's not forget about the aftermath of the harvest, the scattered straw left in the wake of the mighty harvesters. Fear not, for the New Holland H5980 wheel rake is here to tidy up with ease, swiftly gathering the hay into neat rows, ready for the next stage. And speaking of the next stage, enter the dynamic duo, the John Deere 8R370 tractor paired with the Deere L340 baler. With the finesse of a virtuoso, they transform loose straw into tight, uniform bales in no time, ready for stacking and storage. But the show doesn't end there. Watch in awe as the tractor gracefully pulls the bale stacker across the field, effortlessly stacking the bales into towering piles with precision and efficiency, maximizing storage space and minimizing labor. Now, onto soil preparation and seedbed perfection. Meet the John Deere 9R540, equipped with Deere 2680H high-speed discs. With the agility of a dancer, it swiftly breaks up soil and prepares the perfect seedbed for planting, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. And let's not forget the finishing touch, the sulfur disc finish tool, delicately smoothing and leveling the soil to create the ideal planting surface. It's a tough job, But with these sophisticated agricultural technologies at our disposal, every task becomes a breeze. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the world of agricultural innovation. Until next time, happy farming!